So here we are in the Google Merchant Center. As you can see, we are in the Home tab. And in this tab, there's not much going on. It's pretty much an overview of the Merchant Center. So we're going to go over quickly some of the other stuff that Google has here. First, we'll go to opportunities. And this is a tab where Google could give you recommendations based on the ads that you're running. We don't use this too much. We like to go off our own data, but it's good to know that it exists and it is here. We go into business information. I already talked about this a little bit in module one. As you can see, these tabs here, we have your business information, your website, making sure it's verified, your logo if you want to add it there. The big one here is going to be this products tab. So this is where you're going to find yourself 99% of the time. And right now we don't have any products uploaded. So this is not populated at the moment. But when you start uploading products, this will start lighting up and you will start seeing different things. So if you have any issues, you will see things in red. If everything's good, it will be in green. Hopefully everything is in green. But it right down here, it's going to tell you if you have any current issues, and this is where the troubleshooting takes into place. Um, so whenever you have an issue, you can click on one of these items down here, and it will show you the issue that you're having currently. So hopefully we don't have any issues there. We have experienced issues sometimes, and it's usually a quick fix. You can message Google directly, and they will usually be pretty good about answering your questions. So yeah, that's pretty much it here. Once your products are in, you will have a list of all your products, and you can then continue to make the ads in the AdWords account. As previously stated, we have gone over the taxes as well, and pretty much we've set up tax rates for each state. Uh, we have set up shipping as well, as you can see here. And this section right here is pertaining to your shopping ads that we have not yet configured yet, so there's nothing here either. So I just want to show you guys a quick thing here. If you guys are having issues, like I was saying with the products and the diagnostics, you can very easily get help from Google. And what you're going to want to do is go up here to these three dots and click help, and you will see this come up. Now, more often than not, this live chat will be enabled. Right now, it seems to be down, but more often than not, it will be enabled, and you can very easily contact them with any issue that you have. And they're usually pretty good on these issues, and they're usually really good at helping you out. So that's really good to know, because if you have any issues down here with any items, you can very easily contact them. And you could also search up here. Maybe your issues are already in the forum and it has already been solved, but it's just good to know that these options exist. So yeah, anyways, that's pretty much for this video. I just wanted to go over quickly the Merchant Center and talk about the different areas and where you will be spending most of your time. But yeah, that's it for this video, and see you in module 3.